Hi there, my dear Aries friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your monthly reading for the month of December. It is a timeless and general reading, so it will not resonate to all Aries. Just take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave the rest behind. If you will like my reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Let's start. Love and light. Namaste. Thank you. Okay. My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Aries friends for the month of December? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Aries friends for the month of December? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Aries friends for the month of December? Right. The bottom of the deck is King of Spades, prosperity. So, for some of you, you are now having or enjoying your financial abundance. And there is movement and expansions that is happening fast in your life. So, you are now reaping the seeds that you have planted, the seeds and the fruit of their labors that you were planted before. Right, my dear Aries. So at the back of the card is Jack of Heart, meaning there is a younger person than you. I think this one is close friend of yours or business partner, if you are an entrepreneur, or a sibling, or maybe a romantic relationship, yes, or a romantic partner who is giving you a support and a good luck in your life. Okay, so and the third card is Ten of Diamonds. It's a money card, money and traveling card. So for some of you are traveling now, and maybe this is a business travel because of promotion that you just had received, or a personal travel just to unwind and to celebrate what you are getting. Yeah. Let's see. Your past. Oh, so your past. You were once involved in a third party relationship. Okay. So anyway, it's good that you left that toxic situation because it just gave you a bad luck. That's why you had a For some of you had a turbulent, toxic situation that happened in your life. But with that, it really made you realize that not to engage anymore with that kind of situation. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay. Oh, oh. My dear Aries, as I can see it in here, for those who are still dealing, for some of you left this toxic situation, but for some of you are still suffering of the bad karma that really hits you because of this. I think the person that you hurt were a spiritual person, which the person prayed for justice. Okay, so for some of you, karma hits you, and for some of you, you are still dealing with this karmic situation that you are paying for what you have done in the past. But don't worry, okay? Pray, ask for forgiveness if you haven't seen that person that you betrayed in the past. So just ask for forgiveness even to yourself. Forgive yourself and ask for forgiveness, okay? Just whisper it, or because, and then let your spirit guide, send it to the person that you really hurt before, okay? With that, for those who have family, of course, the impact in your family, especially to your loved one, the wife, the husband, or those with a committed relationship that were hurt because of your involvement with the third party situation. Look at this Ace of Heart. It's reversed, okay? Because as I've said, at the moment, there is a heartbreaking. It was really heartbreaking, and of course, the person you were committed was really hurt. But time heals all wounds, as the saying said, isn't it? So try to patch that relationship and talk with wholeheartedly, and then ask for forgiveness, because I can see it in here that there is forgiveness um, in the card. Okay, I can feel that they will forgive you, and just please try not to be involved. I know, Aries, you are very attractive to opposite sex. So because you are charming, you are very helpful, you are approachable, you are very friendly, but please bear in mind that temptations is around you. Okay? So to avoid further conflict, further problems, further family issues and relationship issues, try to discipline yourself. Try to control yourself. Even if you will do it secretly or behind your loved one, the truth will still be revealed one day. Okay? So, and then karma will hit you. Okay? Believe on that, my dear Aries. You are a very spiritual person. You have spirit guides that is guiding you. So if you will be tempted with that negative energy, your spirit guide will still let your loved one knows, you know. Um, business wise, career wise, you are attracting new opportunities. Okay, let's see in here. So in here, the present. This is the present. This is your past, and this is your future. The three of diamonds, meaning you are, for some of you, are dealing with legal issues. Yes, so maybe you will be dealing with legal arguments. Okay, maybe the third person file a case against you because you left them. You promised them not to give something. Yeah, you know. So now, or maybe your number one is the one filing a divorce because of the betrayal that you did. Okay, or for some of you, it's a financial legal issues that you are dealing with. Okay, so now the problem with that is this one in here. Yes, it's more on in here. I can see it in here in the card that it's more on financial legal issues you are dealing for some of you. Okay, so or in the job you are, I think, applying for a salary increase, or maybe the company is not paying you well, so you are applying for a, like, a rebate or a something that they didn't pay you. Okay, so that is the financial legal issues that you are dealing at present. Okay, but don't worry. I can see it in here that you will get the you will be victorious with that. Okay, soon. Okay, subconsciously. Okay, with this financial legal issues, the subconsciously you are now thinking, well, the misfortune because of you are having financial difficulties at the moment in here. I can feel it in here. So you are having lack of sleep. You are having headache in here. Yes. So because in here, for some of you, I think you are really having an argument. It's concerning about your finances really, and or in the job that you are not paid well in here, so you are fighting for it, but you will soon receive a good news that it will be sorted out. Okay, so subconsciously you feel like you are having a misfortune, you are very upset, and maybe for some of you have fear that you are in danger of losing your job. But don't worry, you are just fighting for your right. Okay, so have faith that, as I've said, it will be sorted out soon. Follow up, and have faith that there will be a positive outcome. Okay, with that legal arguments financially, you feel like this one in here, it's giving you an emotional problem, emotional instability. Okay, so you feel like you are losing a lot of money. You are doing you've been It's really unfair on your side that you've been working too hard, but that company is taking advantage of you only, but not paying you very well. Okay, as I've said, my dear Aries friends, be patient, have faith, because I can see it in here that there is movement and expansion that is going to happen very fast in your life. Unstoppable success. You will receive a good news as well. And the money that they mispaid you, you will receive it. Okay? So you will be overcoming from your troubles and financial difficulties. You will be attracting new opportunities now. So spirits is guiding you. So follow your instincts and your gut feelings. What to do. Remember that you are loved as well in here. So with that, it gives you strength and energy um, to, to fight what is really right. And your family made you inspired as well. So please do not give up. Okay, don't stop believing in yourself, my dear Aries. Okay, remember that you are a strong person with wisdom. Okay, so you um yes, in here I can say I can 10 of spade. It's you are worrying a lot. You are worrying a lot. So please do not worry. Stay grounded. Stay calm. Just do your work properly. Go with the flow. Believe in yourself and fight for the right. Okay. One day the truth will be revealed to you as well. I can in here the hopes and fears. There is a malicious gossips in here, disappointments as well. So with that disappointments, it really let you have a loss of sleep, and now you are having a headache. Please don't do that. It's better to have a good sleep, enough rest. Okay, because I can feel it in here that you are having a severe headache, and I think for those who are um feeling like fainted, like you are having this lightheadedness and faint, um have an eye checkup as well, because I can see it in here. For some of you is having an eyesight problem. You might need an spectacles. So let your eyesight to be checked, or your eyes to be checked. Okay. And for some of you, I can see it in here, having a skin allergy in your face. Yes, skin allergy in your face, having this something in your skin in your face. So if it become worse, then see a dermatologist for that. Okay, the final outcome in here, someone who a woman who has a fire energy. Yeah, it's either an Aries, a what is this? A Leo and a Sagittarius energy. A woman, she will give you an advice. I think this is your boss at work, or maybe if you're an entrepreneur, this is a business partner, or maybe this is your wife. Yeah, who is very confident and will give you an advice that will guide you and enlighten you. Okay, in here. Okay, let's see. Oh, your future in here is, oh yeah, for some of you, you are having some um business financial difficulties, problems. Yeah, and it really making you feel depressed. So please, as I've said, don't let this negative energy affect you, because I can see it in here. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. With all this chaos, with all this toxic energy, as I've said, it's just only temporary, a blessing in disguise. Okay? So please do not give up. Let's see for a clarification. Okay, my dear Aries friends. Okay, so sleep well, have enough rest. You know, sleep is very good. It's very good, and said when you have enough sleep, you will feel optimistic and you will feel a new you. So that with that energy, you will attract more opportunities and you will be victorious with all the um, disputes, arguments, fights that you've been through. As long as you are on the right side, okay? Let's see. See, oppositions and obstacles are just temporary. Okay, this is a confirmation card. It's five of spade, that it is just only a temporary, a blessing in disguise. So do not give up. Do not let this toxic chaos energy at the moment affects you. Okay, it's just only testing your strength. Okay, so and I can feel it in here that you are surrounded with negative energy of people who are depressed as well. Yes. For those who have family in here, um, there are family issues that been interfered by other people. Mhm. Maybe, um, like for example, your family, and there is a jealous sister, jealous relatives, and um, spreading rumors about your family like that, or having a fight with your one of your children like that. Okay, but just talk to your family to ignore those negatives. So that is the confirmation that this one is just only a temporary. Okay, and again, as I've said, if if you deal with negative energy, karma will hit you. So please avoid being tempted with negative um, people who will just try to ruin your life. Okay? Be with people who will uplift you and who will support you to be successful more. Okay? See, there is, if you are having financial difficulties, yeah, there is a financial aid. This is six of clubs, a financial aid or financial help that you will receive from a person who will lend you money, who will give you money. Okay? So with that, my dear Aries, see, your financial status will change into a better uh, one. Okay, this is a money and travel card. A change in your financial status for the better. There is a fortune that is coming into your way now. 10 of diamonds. Diamonds is money. Okay, so with that, then now deep breath and have faith. Okay, remember this. Right, let's go to the tarot cards. What are the what more messages has in store for you, my dear Aries friends, for the month of December? guides, what are your messages for our dear Aries friends for the month of December? Okay, the bottom of the card is Eight of Wands. It's a card of action. Yes, it's time for action. It's a yes card. It is associated with Sagittarian energy and aligned to Mercury, planet Mercury, which is communication and mentality. Okay, and so we speak up. And it is also aligned to solar plexus chakra, which is I can have whatever I want, whatever I desire in my life. That is the solar plexus chakra. Okay, so go for it, my dear Aries. It says in here there is a speed progress that is going to happen very soon. There is a movement. What I have said before, there is movement and action that is going to happen very fast. Okay, so it needs an action, rushing, exciting times. Travel is on the horizon. Holiday, holiday romances. Okay, for those who cheated, mm, so ask for forgiveness and go for holiday romances. Okay, so there is an energetic strength in here to do an action. Okay, Three of Pentacles, teamwork, card of teamwork. It's a yes card as well, associated with Capricorn energy and aligned to planet Mars. It's action and energy again. I know Aries is a very hardworking individual. My God, very. And it is aligned to third eye chakra. So as I've said, follow your gut feelings, my dear Aries friends. Okay. It says in here, your hard work pays off. You will be committed to something that will make you very happy and contented. Okay, you are now building on success, and teamwork is really needed in here. There is a strong determination and goals and dedication of what you are going to do. There is a high quality as well. And a lot of achievements, recognitions, and reward you are going to receive very soon. Okay, my dear. See, after those chaos situation, there will be a positive one. Okay. Ten of Pentacles. Wow, culmination. It's a it's a yes card associated with Virgo energy. Again, aligned to Mercury. Communication and mentality. Speak up, communicate very well, and use your mind. Be wise, be smart, and aligned to root chakra. Root chakra, oh, wow, it's you are going to have whatever you want. Okay, unexpected financial windfall. Okay, you will receive lump sum of money, last will, deeds, trust funds, or an inheritance, solid foundation, or an inherited issues. Okay, so you might receive an old money as well. So with that, my dear Aries, have courage to continue. Keep going. Do not let if you're still dealing with those toxic um energy, leave that behind. Okay, and try to do a new one. Let's see what will be the angel messages for you, my dear Aries friends, for the month of December. right. The bottom of the deck is Queen of Earth. Thoughtful, creative, warm, sensible. Make time for those around you. Take a sensible approach. Deal with challenges in a kind and understanding manner. Remember, my dear friend, Aries, you are loved. You are loved by your family. So please avoid temptation. Okay? 17, the star. It's an Aquarius energy. Yes. Archangel Juphiel, happy times is on the way to you. Make positive, optimistic long-term plans. You are now on the right path. Okay, that's a beautiful message for you. Okay, let's see what is the animal spirit guides. And yes, a message for you, my dear Aries friends. Uh-oh, so let's see what's the bottom of the deck. Four of Summer Tortoise. Oh, so cute. Your responsibilities may distract you from noticing all the gifts that God is presenting to you. Be open to investigating opportunities that come your way. Ten of Summer. A beautiful fairy dog. It's time to express your love and appreciation for family, be it relatives or your chosen family or of close friends. Congratulations may be in order on a happy, fulfilling marriage as well as raising happy, balanced children. So, okay, who are um those who are asking for a message from the card from the career cards. Okay, for those who are seeking for an advice or message for their job, career, or business. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Bottom of the deck is flashback. People from the past return. So I have said someone from the past returns. You may work with a previous coworker or taken back an old job. You get a second chance. Yes. Maybe someone will call you. Oh, are you still available? There is a vacancy. And then this past job is really giving you money, or it's just that you left that one because you want a new, just for a change. But that old job is paying you more, then go ahead with that. Okay. Innovation. It says in here, you will need to come up with new strategies to keep your plans in motion. Old ways are outdated. Invent, create, and test ideas. I know, my dear Anna's friends are very creative individuals, so go ahead with that. Okay, for those who have one question in their mind, who is requiring or asking for a yes or no answer, then think about it now. Let's see. So if you like this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Let's see the bottom of the deck. It's no. It says in here, resistant to change, upsetting news, accident. Okay. So let's see what's the. It's a yes. No and yes is maybe. So meaning if it's no and yes, it's maybe the answer. So uplifts your spirit, easy to do, light work. So if you feel like it's safe for you, or you're happy to go to that, if you want to create something, if you want to do something, then and you have faith that you can make it, then go ahead. Okay. Thank you so much, my dear Aries friends. Good luck on your life journey. Love and light. Namaste.